Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. I got a box in the mail, something I expected, something I ordered. This is about mining, if this is what I think it is. I am mining again pretty heavily, mining cryptocurrencies, various cryptos. So yes, this is what I was hoping it was. Let me find the end of the tape. Taped it up pretty good on this one. It's always good. So, I don't know exactly how to look this up. So what we got here, oh wow, very well packed. I'll probably be getting a couple more once I cash in some crypto. I've got to mine enough crypto to keep purchasing more equipment so I can keep mining more crypto. Right now the prices are going up and the profitability is on the rise. And what I have here is a Hewlett-Packard. Nothing spectacular or unusual or special, but it is a 1200 watt, somewhere on here. It says here 800 watt max, but somewhere on here it says 1200. I don't know why. 1200 watt power supply. I'm confused about the all the numbers. It says output. It says 800 watt max, and it has output here. I believe. Oh, that's 110 to 220 volts. Very good to know. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, 200 volts at 1200. There it is. Okay, so at 200 volts AC, you get 1200 watts output. So at 110 volts, you only get 800 watts output. Well, good thing I plan on running this at 220. I'm converting my stuff over to 220. Oh cool, there's an extra little cable tie for me. That's always great to have. So that is going to allow me to run some of my graphic cards on, I'll put 3 200 watt cards on that. And it should only be at 50% capacity on 220 volts. And that should work out just fine. Now I've got something else in the mail. A different supplier that I'm hoping goes hand in hand with that. If this is what I'm thinking it is, it should be something that's going to help me with that. Yes, there it is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, what I've got here, sorry, I kicked it. What I've got here is a whole set of cables and a breakout board that goes onto this power supply. Cool. It's got the 8-pin. It's a 6-pin on the breakout board and adapted to 8-pin on the cable. So this literally goes onto the power supply. I bought these from 2 separate places. Make sure I have which side is up, right? Side. Switch, okay. I hope, I'm going to double check, but I'm pretty sure that's stiff. Okay, there's my breakout board. This one is nothing spectacular. There is a power switch, which is going to be awkward to reach, but anyway. This one isn't so spectacular. I bought a cheap one, but I had all the cables. That's an important thing. Having the wires. I don't know if I got one handy here. Oh, I can take you over and show you. I got one running. A power supply and breakout board that I bought for a ASIC miner, but I'm using it on my mining rig. Let me take you over there. Now over here I have my 220 volt station. It's getting hot over here. I'm gonna have to put a big fan over here. I've only got 4 RX 580s and 2 1080 Ti's running here for now, and it's getting really warm over here. Right here is very hot. Not hot, but I mean warm. It's more than I want. Oh, that's why that power... What is blowing? Oh, those cards are blowing heat up. Okay. I gotta move air out of there. Here's an HP 750 watt server power supply. That's one I previously showed you. I don't think I said server, but that's that one back there I just showed you is a 1200 watt server, Hewlett Packard server power supply. This is a 750. He's only running two graphic cards, two RX 580s. I have not tweaked them down, so they're pulling almost 200 watts each. So still though, I'm only pulling 400 watts out of a 750 power supply. Should be fine. But the breakout board and wires that came with that has a digital display, some pretty little LEDs, and all the wires. Now these were 6 plug to 6 pin to 6 pin, but they work. You do not have to put in on most graphic cards. You don't have to put in the last 2 pins. They're just extra grounds. Depends on if your wires are going to be warm or not, which mine are fine. Those are just extra grounds. You do not have to absolutely put them in for the graphic card to run. These are running fine for days now without an issue. So that all works good. This is going to be my new mining station. I plugged it in to 220 volts. You can see the bathroom in the background. Melanie's washing station. Anyway, this is the new mining station. I got a shelf here just for this purpose. I'm going to put all my miners here and get a fan blowing in here. This is all 220 volts. And for those who are going to attack me for not being off the grid, well, it's called the Off-Grid Project. And in every video I say, it has nothing to do with my electronics channel, my main channel. Striving to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. Well, I'll tell you what, generating money out of thin air definitely aids to self-sufficiency, don't you think? I'm excited about it. I'm literally generating money out of thin air, and I am loving it. By the way, we do have solar panels, and as much as I can, I use solar power to feed into my miners as much as I can, and when it's available. So we do offset some of our mining with solar power. But that's going to be a video for another day. I'll show you all my miners. Right now I just wanted to show you the some of the types of setups you can buy on eBay or Amazon even, with Hewlett Packard power supplies and breakout boards and wires to use for your mining rigs. They're cheaper. They're way cheaper than your standard computer power supply, and they're more durable. They're designed for high-end, full-time, non-stop, 24/7 use for years. So that's why I prefer the HP for mining. Seems to be, so far that I can tell, no matter what breakout board you get, as long as it's for an HP server power supply, it'll generally fit all your HP power supplies. Generally the pinouts are the same, so I haven't found any problems yet. They're pretty much always the same size. One good thing about HP is the ones I've been finding are pretty universal. Well, there you have it, guys. Really exciting buy. I got plenty of wires with that. Actually, that's really good. I got extra wires with that because I'm only going to run 3 cards on this. So the bonus is, I mean, really good deal. The bonus here is that I've got wires for multiple miners in this package. So that's exciting. I'll be getting this going. I'll do another video later and I'll show you my mining rigs. I've got them all over the property right now. So I'm really churning out some crypto. I might get into numbers, might not. We'll see how I feel. But thanks for watching, guys. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, setting up some cryptocurrency mining rigs. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to get notifications. Talk to you all later.